Dr. Maurice Sherman from the Del Mar Cosmetic Medical Center in Del Mar, California, just north of San Diego. Today we're going to talk about some of the aspects of fat harvesting that we are doing more and more commonly in association with our liposuction techniques. So we now know that fat contains a tremendous amount of rejuvenative cells, such as stem cells. There are other types of rejuvenative cells besides the stem cells, but that's not really too important, at least for our discussion today. What basically we like to do is to use the effect of those stem cells, which are bound up in the fat that we're harvesting, to help transpose that fat into other areas of the body that are deficient of volume, thereby using your own tissues to help fill up volume losses in the body that occur naturally in the breast, in the face, in the back of the hands, and for those individuals who either were born without full buttocks or as we age, we lose the volume in the buttock area. Also, we can do what's called buttock lifts or buttock augmentations, the so-called Brazilian butt lift, by utilizing your own fat and then re-injecting it. Now again, the stem cells are really very frequent and numerous in the fat. We didn't really realize this for years, but over the past 5 or 6 years, we now know that fat is a tremendous storage area for stem cells. In fact, we can now harvest fat and then enzymatically produce a enhanced stem cell fat combination by adding just some fat cells from fat tissue that we have put through a certain enzymatic process, and then putting that those stem cells back into the fat before we inject it. So now we have what we call cell enhanced fat augmentation, because it not only has the stem cells that are inherent to the fat, but also the fat, or rather the stem cells that have been added. And we feel that this gives us a much faster healing and more retention of the volume of the fat that we inject, whether it be in the face, in the breast, or in the buttocks, or for that matter in the back of the hands.